Elevate your Instagram feed with stunning faceless portraits just like these. Luxe Melanin Creator makes it easy to design sophisticated, luxury-themed content perfect for social media. Ready to create posts that captivate your audience? Let's dive in. Hi, I'm Asasi and welcome to my channel where I showcase the best AI tools for creatives. Today I'm diving into the Faceless Elegance command of Luxe Melanin Creator, the perfect tool for crafting captivating faceless portraits for social media content. In this video, I'll show you how to create stunning faceless images with this AI tool, as well as how to style them and create beautiful Instagram posts. Stick around because at the end, I'll share a free resource to get you started with the Luxe Melanin Creator and details about AI Workflow Collective Beta Program, where you can learn how to build and automate your own AI tool. Let's get started. Okay, in the last video, I went over the Instant Elegance command. For this one, we're going to create some faceless elegance images. These are pretty popular for social media and branding purposes. So it's going to, as you see, provide us with a base prompt. For the purpose of this video, we're going to just do some random faceless images. So I'm just going to say random. Actually, yeah, I'm just going to simply put random and see what it gives us. Now also, if you want a specific size, you can say random square or random vertical. Okay, nice. We are going to copy this and bring it into Canva. And I just chose this as an Instagram template from Canva so that you can see how this looks when using it on social media. And there you go. And you can insert your own text. And just like that, within minutes, you've created an Instagram post. So let's go and do another one. Oops. I actually just want to delete the image. All right. I'm going to say random at coffee shop. Faceless. Okay, she's not faceless, but this is really nice. So let's go for another one. Let's say random faceless wearing sunglasses coffee shop. Okay, there we go. Nice. Really cute. Okay. And we're going to set as background. Perfect. We've created two so far. Let's create another one. And you can choose different elements. You can tell it different elements that you want to make it faceless, but I think I'll do another sunglasses, random sunglasses, faceless, and let's see what setting. Let's say office. Well, no, on the beach. Let's say most time you're not wearing sunglasses in the office, right? Oh, beautiful. I like that. It cut her hair off just a little bit, and oh, not feeling that little finger right there. So let's ask it to do another one. Create it again. Otherwise, that would have been pretty. And her face, her head, I should have also put, make sure a full hairstyle is shown. If it doesn't do it this time, I'll make sure I say that. Okay. Love it. Copy image. Pop it in here. Set as background. All right, we have 3 so far. No prompt needed, just a few words. Okay, let's say random. Let's be a little ambitious here. We'll see. Holding a newspaper to hide her face. Make sure full hairstyle is shown. And let's see what it does. Looks like you can't, like she has a black eye. I'm not like that one. Let's say try again, but let's say make sure newspaper is over her face. And if that don't work, we'll just do another one. Try again, make sure the newspaper's over her face. And that her full hairstyle is shown. We'll choose a different element. If not, sometimes DALL-E is hard to make specific images. Okay, actually that was not bad. Her face, her eyes is not shown because her hair is over her eyes. So it didn't quite give me what I asked for, but we may be able to use this one. So let's see how it looks. Okay, not too bad. Let's do another one. Okay, and I'm just gonna say random faceless, see what it gives us. Actually, random faceless back is turned. Make sure her full hairstyle is shown. Okay, it gave us side view and it's not really faceless. So let me say random faceless back is turned away from the viewer. Random faceless back is completely turned away from the viewer. See if it gives it to us this time. Okay, not quite. Don't know why with DALL-E, it always has a hard time showing her from the back. So let's try one more thing. I'm just gonna say random faceless and see what it gives us. Okay, that's not too bad. But again, her back, side of her face is still showing. So we are gonna say random faceless back turned away from the viewer as she walks down the street. But regardless, that is a beautiful image. I love that one. Okay, I like that one. it's giving like a little side view, but you really can't see her face, so that one is much better. Pop it in here, and we have made about, let's see, about 5 Instagram images, just that quick, no prompts needed, just a simple few words to tell it what you want. And let's just do one more, and I'll let it choose random faceless, and you choose the setting. Okay, not bad. Let's do one more with the sunglasses in a different, and let it choose the setting. Random faceless sunglasses. You choose a setting, the outdoor setting. Okay, I love that one. Like she said, and now I see that they're trying to create the back image of her now since I just put that in earlier. That's fine. Let's pop this one in. This one. Okay, and let's do one more. Okay, I'm going to try to get a little bit more specific with this one. So let's say create a luxury realistic photo of an African American woman. I'm still gonna try the walking down the street. Walking down a, let's say Paris, Asian street. Her back is facing the viewer. She is wearing a glamorous purple, my favorite color, so I say purple dress with a long, dramatic, flowing train. There are beautiful buildings and high-end shops in the background. Let's see. See if it gives it to us with her back completely turned. Ah, love it. Love it. That one is very pretty. So let's pop that one in. Even though her face is slightly to the side, but so as you see, the more descriptive you get, the better the outcome. So if you're not feeling lazy like me and just want to put in random, you can get more detail, and that is pretty. And there you have it. That's the Luxe Melanin Creator, the Faceless Elegance command. I want to thank you so much for watching. If you're ready to transform your social media game with Luxe Melanin Creator, don't forget to check the link in the description for a special discount code. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what kind of content you'd like to see next. And don't miss out on my AI Workflow Collective Beta program, where I teach you how to build and automate your first custom AI tool in just 4 weeks. The link is in the description below. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.